My dear students, this is Sir Gaurav again welcomes you all on our Path Maths Online classes. Dear students, yesterday in our last video we have discussed how can we reduce the general form of equation of a line into standard form of equation of a line. So today in this video we are going to start with the next topic, which is to find the perpendicular distance from a point to a line. एक पॉइंट से और किसी भी जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन के बीच की अगर परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस आप लोग निकालना चाहते हैं, देन हाउ कैन वी डू, लेट अस डिराइव दैट फॉर्मूला. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट टू अ लाइन. सो नेचुरली वी आर गिवन विद द पॉइंट एंड अ लाइन विल बी गिवन टू यू. फॉर दैट लेट अस कंसिडर in your coordinate system as your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is any given equation of line in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of equation of a line, and let the point P is here with coordinates x1 comma y1, from which we want to find the perpendicular distance from this line. So let us draw a perpendicular from this point to the line, and this is your let n point, and we want to find the value of Pn. So how can we obtain? Let us derive this formula. So because this is the line which is intersecting x-axis as well as y-axis, so let me find the coordinates of these points. First of all, let this point is your Q and this point is R. Q is the point which is lying on the y-axis, so it implies its x coordinate will be 0. So to find this coordinate of the point PQ, let me put x is equal to 0. Whenever x will be 0, implies by plus c is equal to 0. This gives you y is equal to minus c by b. So this point is surely in the form of 0 comma minus c by b. Now let me find the coordinates of point R. और r क्योंकि x एक्सिस पर लाई करता है, इट मीन्स द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ y विल बी 0. सो लेट मी पुट y इज इक्वल टू 0, implies ax plus c is equal to 0, and this will give you x is equal to minus c by a. So this coordinate of point r will be your minus c by a comma 0. Now dear students, what we will do, let's join q with p and p with r. Now a triangle is formed PQR, and in this triangle we want to find the altitude of this triangle PQR. और altitude निकालने के लिए my dear students we can find the area of triangle PQR in two methods. हम PQR triangle का दो मेथड में एरिया निकाल लेते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज थ्रू द वर्टिसेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. वर्टिसेस गिवन है तो हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल by formula half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle PQR, can be obtained through your vertices formula. And next formula can be used by half into base into altitude. So in the two methods, from these two methods we will find the area of the triangle and will put equal to each other. हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों मेथड से एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकालते हैं और दोनों को पुट करते हैं. इन दैट केस we will able to find the value of Pn. So let me do, this is half of, this is area of triangle PQR, and this is your given by through vertices formula, where this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Let me write down, this is x2 y2, this is your x3 y3. So area of triangle PQR will be given by x1, same x1 will remain same. This is your y2 minus y3, which is 0, plus c by b, and what is x2? X2 is your minus c by a, so this is minus c by a, and y3 minus y1 minus c by b, and minus y1 plus x3 is 0 and 0, y1 is remain y1 minus y2 is your 0. So area of this triangle will be given by half of x1 c by b plus c square by AB plus cy by A. This is your cy by A. Now this is your the area of triangle PQR. This is the area of triangle PQR, and this is nothing but your y1, or sorry, this is y1. So we will take it as y1. Now this is the area of triangle PQR. Now we will find the area of triangle PQR through your formula half into base. Base is your QR. QR is base multiplied by altitude is Pn. So first of all we need the value of QR, और QR की value निकालने के लिए we will use your distance formula. So QR is given by, this is your minus c by A minus 0 whole square plus 0 plus c by B whole square under the root, and this can be written as c square by A square plus c square by B square under the root. I have used your x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. This is your distance formula to find the distance between Q and R. And further it can be written as your, this can be further, c square is common from the numerator, so this will come out from the square root and will be your c under the root of 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. So this is the value of QR. Now the area of triangle PQR will be given by area of triangle PQR. This is given by half, base is your now c square root of 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square multiplied by Pn. This is the area of triangle PQR. This is also the area of triangle PQR. Because both are the area of same triangle, so they can be put equal to each other. So let me put here, let me do here. This is your, we can put both the areas equal to each other, and this can be like this. So half into c square root of 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square into Pn, that is equal to half of x1c upon B plus c square upon AB plus cy1 upon A. Half will be cancelled out with the half. We want to find the value of Pn, and before that let us take c. C is common on the right hand side, so this is your x1 by B plus 1 c upon AB plus y1 upon A, or further it can be written as by taking LCM. This is your AB is LCM, so this is AX1 plus BY1 plus C, like this. So this C under the root of 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square multiplied by Pn. Again C will be cancelled with the C. So value of Pn will be given by how much? This is your, this can be rubbed, let me rub here. So, or before finding the value of Pn, let me take LCM as well. This is A square B square is LCM. This is your A square plus B square under the root into Pn is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon AB modulus. Dear students, because this is the A square and B square both are given to you, so and square root is also there, so this can be written as A square plus B square under the root upon AB multiplied by Pn will be equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon AB. ये भी cancel. So Pn will be given by AX1 plus BY1 plus C over A square plus B square under the root, and the modulus is also there. So this is a perpendicular distance from a point with a line. Point से और line के बीच की अगर perpendicular distance निकालनी है, then you can use this formula. And dear students, we will directly now use this formula to find the distance, perpendicular distance from a point to a line, where the equation of line will be given by Ax. This is your Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line given to you, and if any point is given there in the form of x1 comma y1, then the perpendicular distance from this point to the line is given by coefficient of x is to multiply by the x coordinate plus coefficient of y is to multiply by the y coordinate plus the constant quantity upon the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square under the root. So this is the formula to find a distance, perpendicular distance actually, from a point to a line. So let me do a question based on this formula, and this is question number 4 from your exercise 10.3. After that we will find the distance between two parallel lines. So let's do the question number 4 first of all, in which we want to find the distance of the point -1, 1 from the line 12 times of x plus 6 is equal to 5 times of y minus 2. So this is the given point -1, 1, and the line equation of line is also given to you, which is in the form of 12 times of as your x plus 6, and this is equal to 5 times of y minus 2. Dear students, first of all let me reduce this form into generalized form, proper generalized form, which is your 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10, or simply 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. So the given equation of line can be reduced into the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now we want to find the perpendicular distance from the point to the line. This is the point P, and we want to find the perpendicular distance from this point to the line, and this is given by क्या होती है, d is always given by ax1 plus by1 plus c over a square plus b square under the root. This is the formula to find the perpendicular distance from a point to the line. Here a is your 12, b is minus 5, c is your 82, and x1 is minus 1 and y1 is your plus 1. So this is your given by 12 into minus 1 plus minus 5 into 1 plus 82 divided by a square is your 12 square plus minus 5 square under the root with modulus. This is minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 divided by 144 plus 25 under the root with modulus function, and this can be written as 65 upon 169 square root modulus given by 65 upon 13, and which is your 5 unit. So the distance of this point to the line is your 5 unit. So this was the question number 4 from your exercise 10.3. So dear students, let me illustrate the next topic, and the topic is your to find the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Let me illustrate, let me derive how can you find distance between two parallel lines. Illustration is there. Let us consider any two parallel lines. These are the two parallel lines having equation. This is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Second equation is your ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the two parallel lines. In between of we want to find the distance, perpendicular distance. For that, let me take any point on this line as h comma k. Let me take any point on h comma k, because this point is lying on the line implies this will satisfy the equation of line as well. So it implies ah plus k bk plus c1 will be equal to 0. This is number 1 equation. अब बच्चों निकालना क्या चाहते हैं हम लोग? हम निकालना चाहते हैं perpendicular distance from these two parallel lines. So this is the point, and from which we want to find the distance from this line. हम क्या करना चाहते हैं? अब हमारे पास पॉइंट आ गया है h, k और इस पॉइंट से मैं इस लाइन के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालता हूँ, जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने लास्ट क्वेश्चन के अंदर किया था। मैंने डिराइव भी किया कैसे आप लोग पॉइंट और लाइन के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकाल सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज गिवन बाय फॉर्मूला ax1 विच इज योर ax1 प्लस by1 प्लस c ओवर a स्क्वेयर प्लस b स्क्वेयर अंडर द रूट। दिस इज जनरल formula to find the distance between a point and a line. Here x1 is h, y1 is k, and a remain a, b remain b, and c remains c2. So this is given by your ah plus bk plus c2 over a square plus b square under the root with modulus also. Now let's see, dear students, from equation number 1, ah plus bk can be replaced by minus c1. From equation number 1, ah plus bk की जो वैल्यू है that is your equal to minus c1. So this value ah plus bk can be replaced by minus c1 in the given distance. So d will be equal to minus c1 plus c2 over a square plus b square under the root with modulus as well. Or simply this is c2 minus c1 over a square plus b square under the root, and the modulus is also there. So dear students, this is the formula to find the distance between two parallel lines. अगर आपको दो पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच की डिस्टेंस निकालना है, then can be find through this generalized formula c2 minus c1 upon a square plus b square under the root. So let's do a question based on this formula, and this is question number 6. Question number 5, my dear students, is your homework. We can do the question number 6 here. We want to find the distance between the parallel lines. Lines are given to you as your equation of lines are also given to you, which is your 15x. This is question number 6. So 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0. This is the equation of first line, and the equation of second line is your 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. These are the two equation of lines. और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आप लोग इक्वेशन को देखते ही पहचान सकते हैं, चेक कर सकते हैं कि लाइन पैरेलल है कि नहीं। उसके लिए आप चेक कर सकते हैं x और जो y के जो कोफिशिएंट्स होते हैं, x और y के कोफिशिएंट जब आप कभी भी मिलेंगे, दे विल बी प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर और इक्वल टू ईच अदर। इक्वल मिलेंगे या प्रोपोर्शनल होंगे, इट मीन्स द लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर। सो ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल हैं, और ज़रा कंपेयर करेंगे तो दिस इज ax प्लस by प्लस c1 इज योर माइनस 34, एंड ax प्लस by प्लस c2 इज योर 31 is equal to 0 given to you, and the distance in between of these two parallel lines is given by this formula c2 minus c1 upon a square plus b square under root. So let me find the value of d. This is c1, this is c2. So this is c2 minus c1. c2 is 31 plus 34 upon a square is 15 square plus 8 square under the root, and with your modulus as well. So this is your how much? 65 upon 225 plus 64 under the root, modulus as well. This is 65 upon 289 square root modulus, and this is 65 upon 17, which is your 5 again. Sorry, this is not 5, this is your 65 by 17. So this is your the distance between these two parallel lines. So this was all about your the concept to find a distance from a point to a line, or to find the distance between two parallel lines. So let us do the next question and the next illustration in your next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. Take care of yourself.